you to make your hair?
Yes.
Say hello to the camera.
Hello.
Okay, so making hairstyles outdoor is really nice. You know, that fresh breeze that comes with it. So watch our video to the end to see the amazing hairstyle we created using Brazilian wool. Back to school hairstyle. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. It's been a minute. So in today's video we made a big box corkscrew hairstyle. It's one of the fastest and one of the easiest hairstyles you can ever imagine. And this hairstyle does not really require much expertise. It's just something that is easy to do. So I started off by sectioning the hair, like dividing the hair into 2 equal parts, because I wanted the corkscrew hairstyle to be like big. I didn't really want anything that would waste my time, so I made it into big boxes. So after dividing the hair into 2 equal parts, I proceeded to further section the hair into big boxes, and then I secured it with rubber band, like this colorful rubber, those tiny ones, those small ones, as you can see in the video. So each section I make, I'll secure it with the rubber band. So I did it all the way up to one part of the hair, as in the one I divided into 2. Then after doing the left side, I still went ahead to do the same thing on the right side. You guys know that anytime I want to make any hairstyle, it's always like sharp hairstyle. Like you can call me Madam Sharp. I know, is it just me, or I feel like anytime I want to make any hairstyle, I don't really like things that will waste my time, like that will take all day to make. I'll just think of a hairstyle that will be very easy and very fast to make. So let's go back to the hairstyle. After sectioning it, I started plaiting it a little, just the hair, without adding any Brazilian wool, without adding any extension, just her hair. I matted it section by section. So just trust the process. Reason being that I find this method interesting in the sense that it protects the hair, it protects the hair strands from breaking. So I just find this method very easy to go. You can also just go ahead and do your corkscrew hairstyle without even matting it this way. So the choice is all yours. Can you spot Olebube Chukwu at the background of the video? Like my 3 girls, I make their hair and I usually make them almost the same day. So that's why I usually think of easy hairstyles that I'll make. Okay, now we are done with the matting of the hair. So I brought out my Brazilian wool, because for this hairstyle I used Brazilian wool. So this is how I prepare my Brazilian wool anytime I want to make any hairstyle using the Brazilian wool. So I started preparing it, cut it with scissors, and then went back to the hair to start making it. So the length depends on how you want your hair to be. So just measure it, like not using tape or anything, but just know the length you want to make and just measure it out like that. So after that, we started making the corkscrew hairstyle. So if you notice, Brazilian wool, like I always say, it comes in strands, right? So I counted like about 15 strands of Brazilian wool to make this, because I want it to kind of look big, like I'm not too big and not too small, just on the medium part. Okay, so after doing it, after getting the number of strands that I want, I started making the hairstyle. Just trust the process. It's super easy to make. You just trade and then drag up, then it forms the coils or the spirals, or what do I, the corkscrew, it forms it. So After doing for this very first one, I still went ahead to do it for each section of the hair that I matted. And if you also notice, you see that the part of her hair where her hair is, I hid it in the middle between the Brazilian wool. So what you are seeing as the corkscrew is basically the Brazilian wool. Her hair is hidden inside, and this is one of the reasons why I like using Brazilian wool to make hairstyles or making protective hairstyles for my children, because it has a way of protecting their hair from breakage and the rest of it. So I still went ahead to make the other parts of the sections. Then once I finished with it, I proceeded to make the hair look more appealing, more nice. So just trust the video, trust the process, and keep watching. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and comment, because I love to read your comments all the time. So drop your comments, share your thoughts, and please share this video to reach wider audience. Thank you. And I also want to sincerely thank you for your constant love and support on this channel. Thank you so much. I really appreciate. So at this point, I was already done with the corkscrew hairstyle. Like I told you, it's very fast, it's super easy to make, trust me. Will you be trying out this hairstyle? So once I finished, if you notice, I trimmed out the excess Brazilian wool outside. I trimmed it out and left only this strand, reason being that I wanted to use the strands to kind of secure the corkscrew hairstyle, as you can see in the video. So this is me trying to wrap it up so that it will look more organized. You can also add accessories to the hair to give it more color and to give it more vibrant look. So the choice is all yours. And this hairstyle is also perfect for school and occasion, but mainly for school, because a lot of schools here in Nigeria, they don't usually use all these synthetic attachments. They prefer kids is either making their natural hair just like that or using Brazilian wool. So my kids school, they accept only Brazilian wool, and black at that. So that's why I usually use Brazilian wool to make their hairstyles. So this is me trying to wrap up the hair to give it more nicer look. At this point, Amanda was already saying, "Mommy, are you not done? Please come and make my own hairstyle." And I told her, "Don't worry, I got you. I'll make your hair." So at this point, we finished with the hair and it came out really nice. So tell me at the comment section, will you be trying out this hairstyle? I decided to also add pink, since she was putting on pink clothes. So I decided to add pink ribbon to the hair to give it a final touch up, and the hair really came out really nice and she loved it. And she said, "Thank you, Mama. Please do not forget to like this video, and thank you for watching."